I hope you can see this. This is the Government of Tamil Nadu proposal for Startup and Innovation Policy 2018-2023. The vision of they want to motivate more entrepreneurs. So they want to make the Tamil Nadu as an industrial hub, as an innovative ecosystem. So they are proposing the startup policies for global innovation. They are going towards GIH. GIH is a global innovation hub for startups. So we are going to see what is the objectives of the GIH, what is the components, how we are going to implement, and what is the definition of startup. So objective is the period of consideration is 2018 to 2023. So that is they are implementing this under the startup and innovation policy document under this 5-year plan. Creation of 5,000 technology startups, of which at least 10 global high growth startups in the social impacting sectors. So they have kept a target that in 5 years, and we are going to start 5,000 startups, and out of 5,000, minimum 10 are highly contributing to the social impacting sectors. So this what are social impacting sectors? Infrastructure to improve mechanism using IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and software as a service SaaS. So nowadays these things are the hot topics in IoT, AI, machine learning, data science, and using this, how we are going to change or bring about a social impact in the society. Components of the policy. What are the components of the policy? So the main components are this policy aims to collaborate with education institutions to promote entrepreneurial spirit. Just by reading this theory subject, you cannot become entrepreneur. So the government is collaborating with education institutions to promote budding entrepreneurs, so that this will reduce their burden on the startups in the field of labor, pollution, and building now. So the government will provide expertise for them to start their startups with a minimal burden. This policy aims to partner with reputed investors across the globe to bring investment to Tamil Nadu startups. So the government will ensure that whatever idea you generate, which has a huge value, the funding is done brought by the reputed investor abroad. The government is going to make the flow of funds very easy. So this policy is mainly for aspiring individuals who develop a potentially scalable business model that can generate wealth and employment. So if you're what you're proposing is going to generate a lot of wealth to the government, and it is going to provide a job to many, that will be given more priority. EDIA, Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, will act as a nodal agency to promote and facilitate startups. So I have told you about EDI. It is the institute set up for the entrepreneurship development. So this institute will take up the responsibility of promoting and facilitating startups. So TANSIP, Tamil Nadu Startup and Innova TN mission. Okay, Innova TN mission, headed by a full-time officer, will advocate and oversee policies and programs of promoting startups. So this setup will monitor the establishment of startups. So government has allotted a seed fund of 50 crore, with an allotment of 5 crore in the first year in partnership with financial institutions, universities, for early financing requirements in the startups in the form of grants. So the government is going to give it in the form of grants, because many startups are facing the issue of the fund, correct fund. They are able to do research and innovation, but this funding is going to be a majority of the issue, right? So the government is going to do that. They are going to provide the initial seed fund through the they have allotted 50 crores for that for 5 years, and the first year you will be in the first year they are planning to allot 5 crores for the online partnership with the financial institutions and universities for supporting the startup.